What up, everybody? Just wanted to shoot a quick little video. It's been a minute. Alright, new things in the garage. We got heat. Yeah! Propane tanks over here. We got heat. I want to give a shout out to Rob's Wrenches on his heating video. Watch that. Pick this thing up. It works great. It's just running on low right now, and it heats my uninsulated garage very, very well. I turn it off after about 20-30 minutes, and that's when it's 30-40 degrees in here. So it definitely works. That's what that is. Over here we got nut and bolt bin. Got my files there. Some pipe fit up, tools, old toolbox, just some random shit below. Nuts, bolts, drill bits. Same thing over here. Bunch of welding rods. Speed glass 9100X. Still got the esab going. I think I'm going to be adding another welder here pretty soon. Really want something where I can do aluminum, and I'm thinking I kind of need a MIG welder for projects as well. So that'll probably be going down, but I still love this thing. I just need more capabilities. Pipe wrenches. This is my newer grinder. I had to send my last one in. I got the new one, and like I don't know, give it some gas. And the new one and the old one sounded completely different. And I was at the tool supplier when I did it. They're like, "You want us to send that one in for you?" Sure. So that should probably be back hopefully today or sometime this week. Still got this monster going. Snap-on screwdriver set, Craftsman pry bars. Getting everything organized, grinding wheels, different grits, cut-off discs, grinding discs, wire wheels. Yeah, safety. If you do a lot of grinding or welding and you cannot afford the $2,000 respirator helmets, get you one of these. I think they're on sale for like 32 bucks right now. Definitely worthwhile. No more black shit in your nose, not breathing in all those welding fumes. I would definitely look into one of those. Got a little receiver there. The welding books, see what's out there. Some batteries. Bunch of scrap metal there underneath, just random little plate pieces. Some solid stock, 1/4 inch, some 3/8 back there, some more 3/8. Just a bunch of little random shit. You never know when you're gonna need random pieces. Paints and solvents. Gloves, towels, car stuff there. This is all stuff over here for the drill press. Got all my welding clamps back here. Fit up stuff. Still got the drill press going. This thing's working great. It's the Harbor Freight 17-inch 16 speed. Yeah, we've been making some chips. Compressor back there. Hole saws. Larger drill bits over 5/8. Another drill bit set. Some more larger drill bits. Tools for the drill press. XY table, fit ups, etc. Taps and dies in here. That's a extractor set. They're okay. I've used them twice. I didn't have any. I needed to pick some up. They work. Close you, bitch. Shop vac, air tools, light, toolbox. Added a few new things in here. Dressing wheel for the bench grinder over here. Thing works pretty good. Picked that up at Harbor Freight yesterday. And I cleaned it up. It makes a hell of a mess, I'll tell you that, but it does work pretty well. I don't think I've picked up anything new, sockets, ratchet wise. I don't think there's nothing new in there. And that's about the same thing. So I got the Carlisle sets, 1 1/16, SK 1 1/8, the right 1 1/4, and another 1 and I think 5/16 back there too. Girlfriend just got me the gearwrench reversible ratcheting sets. There's a standard there, the metric there. Got the easy reds there, a couple random snap-ons, gearwrench flex heads, the old Swedish nut fuckers. The old bench vise made me a new stand. 3/4 plate, 3-inch riser. It's a 3/16. And then I just got this little piece of shit vise. I made this whole stand hoping I get a Wilton or something. I'm looking. I ain't got $2,500 to buy the brand new, so I'll have to see what's out there. I do have a 5/8, a lot bigger top that I'm really going to end up putting on here when I get my real vise, or this piece of shit kicks the bucket and breaks. So we'll see what happens first, but that's just temporary. I do like the stand though. 8-inch bench grinder from Harbor Freight. This thing's really not too bad. It works pretty well. Made the stand for that. Coolant tank. This is 3/8 plate here for the bottom, and that's that 3/4, just to see the difference. The old Delta Rockwell 7V. This thing's fucking working great, man. As you can see, we've been making chips. Coolant tank. I did make a little stand for the saw. I'm tired of this thing being fucking midget size. Can you see for the garage door? Pipe stand. Yeah, this ain't happening. So I'm gonna go pick up some adjustable wheels here today for my stand, and then this is going on there, and hopefully get it up another foot in the air so it's usable man size, not fucking midget, little, I don't know, midget, tiny person size. That ain't gonna work. I can't do that. I don't think I should have to be on my knees to adjust my goddamn saw. It's just not right. So we're gonna fix that. Pipe stands here. Been using them a little bit. Really ain't used my 6G stand. Oh shit, what is this? Made a weld table. A TIG torch there. 3/8 top on it. Got all the slats cut out for your clamps. Miller makes clamps for this table. I think they're about $51 a piece. So me being a welder, fabricator, I said no, that's not gonna happen. We got adjustable wheels here, adjustable height on the wheels for an uneven floor so I can keep my table level. Show the clamp here. It's a modified F clamp. Clamp anywhere on the table. This is a customer project here. You want an outrigger for his table. You want it close up, table height, so you can put a bench vise on there. keep it close to the table. Without being on the table, it gets mounted underneath. Here, I don't know how I can really set this down, but let's see what we do. It's got one more extension hole that'll go out for full extension, but yeah, I'm trying to hold the phone, so it's just not happening. Got your 5/8 holes all the way through, 5/8 hitch pin. Keep everything all nice and level, so here's my project here. So yeah, been busy as shit, about ready to head to school now. Just noticed it's been like a month since I posted a video. I didn't want y'all to think I died or got eaten by a zombie or something crazy, so here we go. Hope y'all have a good one. Alright, later.